Open! Open! Smile ka naman. Sige, makikita yung mga ganyan-ganyan mo dyan. I love Loob. Nakikita ba ang kanyang 360? Nakikita ba? Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Basta yun na yun. Ayan, 360. Magandang camera. So, as you can see, merong mountain in front of us. Hello!
Nay, ang Look Beach. Look Beach.
Ano eh?
Ama na ng Look?
Look
Kanang Hagukan Beach. Salamat,
Okay,
Tay.
salamat! Okay, this is the Look Beach na. Para lang siyang Mabwa Beach. Look at the residents here. Ayan, ang mga residents nila. Ayan. So, bukid siya na merong beach. So, para din siyang Mabwa, Pebble Beach. So, ito yung Look Beach. Parang ano lang siya. It's a beach. Hagukan. Masyadong ano ang daan. Maputik. So, let's wait for my husband if gusto niyang pumunta doon. It's also called Hagukan Beach. Baba tayo saglit to check the place. I'm not sure kung mag-i-stay kami dito, but Joel Clark inquired inside. So, ito yung Esperanza's place. Ito yung entrance. Ayan. So, we're still in the what do you call that? Information area. Ulan? Nakuha ka.
Kung daghan, pwede sila makasip pag-overnight sa cottage, pero duha raman di pwede.
Oh. Okay.
Kumukuha ang tag-room niya sila ha, libre ng tag-cottage.
So, merong beach sa kabilang side ng fence na yan. And then here, meron din isa. So, mag-i-inquire din kami.
Oh?
Ayan.
Martinez, Gibali ba?
Zenitram Beach Resort.
Ipon maayo na rin kay Kasigig Ulan. Yeah, bukit.
Shout out sa healthy na malunggay.
Shout out to Mamang Violeta.
Sa nagbigay ng saging si Mother Earth Violeta Tayukuan na madami daw pebbles. Let me check if there is pebble. Okay, diyan ka lang kung maligo sa ulan. So this is a pebble beach in Mabwa. Ayun, meron siyang bundok doon. Okay. Beb. Pebbles. Aha. So, ito yung pebbles. Okay. So, dinadayuhan ng maraming tao kasi when we check it in the internet, ito lang yung laging it's the #1 beach in Surigao because of the pebbles. So, ito yung pebbles dito. Asan bang pebbles? I'm expecting more pebbles. Where? Malayo na ako. It's raining still. Lots of people here. Because yesterday, there are lots of people talagang, it was so crowded. Ayan. So, luckily, sadly, ito lang yung mga nakikita ko. Gaya ng nasa pictures. Hello. Okay. So, here. This is like an ordinary beach. But it's nice. Makikita nyo yung bundok doon. And these are, you know, a typical cottages here in the Philippines. And there's still lots of people. Okay? Let's see. And Jessie is there. Ayaw yung lumabas. Na-disappoint ako sa Peebles. Ayan. Okay. Balik na tayo. It's